In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to use free loadouts in Arc Raiders. So the first thing we need to do is to go into play right here, as you can see, and then click on play in the bottom right corner. And now I'm just going to select this one right here. And in here you can see on top, like basically in the middle where it says free loadout, this is the one that you need to click on, and then we need to click on ready up here, as you can see. So I'm just going to click here, and then we will be able to now wait a couple of seconds before we are actually taken in the game. But yeah, basically when you select free loadout, you will then be able to get it, and then you will be getting like random weapons and stuff like that that you can have. But I think those weapons, they're not perfect. Obviously they're often not that great, but yeah, why not choose it, especially if you're low on inventory. So you can see we're now taken in the game. And also I believe that you will get smaller backpack when you actually use free loadouts. I'm not completely sure about that, but I think so. We can probably even double check that in a couple of seconds when it actually takes us into the game here itself. So let's actually double check if we get smaller inventory, because I believe we do. So I'm just going to check here. And I think so, but I'm not quite sure. Actually, I think it's the same. But yeah, actually this weapon that I got is not that bad at all. You can see this is all free loadouts. And yeah, basically that is exactly how to do this.